This is how you can clean your iPhone charger port with a toothpick without damaging anything. Here's the things you need: a piece of napkin, some Q-tips, toothpicks, kitchen knife, your iPhone, and rubbing alcohol. You don't have to change your iPhone because it won't charge. You simply need to clean the charger port. I've cleaned thousands of charger ports using this method and it never failed me. Let's do it. Remove your phone from the case and set it to the side. Now we're going to use the kitchen knife along with the toothpick. And you need to follow along. Take the kitchen knife and we want to stroke it a couple times just to make it flatter from one side. Okay? You don't want to make it too flat. You just want to make it flat enough, and I'll show you why in a second. As you can see, this is what it looks like normally. If I flip it to the other side, you see it's a little bit skinnier from the right side. It's a little bit flatter. Break the tip off because the tip becomes weak. Now, if we take a closer look, this is what it would look like. Cool. Let's put this toothpick now to the side for a second. Bring a Q-tip and the rubbing alcohol, and we're gonna put some rubbing alcohol on the bottom of the Q-tip on one side. There's a little bit of rubbing alcohol that fell on top of the table. I'm gonna try to re-grab that and put it inside the charger port, just like so. If you put too much, don't be afraid because the rubbing alcohol dries super fast. This is what the charger port look like. Okay, this is the diagram for it. You see those pins right there? We're not gonna clean those pins. We want to go all the way deep to where we reach some sort of a wall in there. That's where the residue falls and gets stuck over there. So we want to clean that part out, and that should definitely take care of the problem. We're gonna go back to that toothpick we talked about. Remember how we cut it? Okay, that flat side is gonna go on top of those pins. The pins are at the bottom right here, at the bottom of the charging port. The residue and the dust and whatever it is, I want you to try to scrape it off slowly. Okay, you can use a flashlight if you want to see a little bit better. Now when you scrape it off, try to push it all to one corner. So start from the right and move the stick to the left, and then start from the middle and move the stick to the right. Let's see if anything would come out. This is dust from pockets, from a purse, from backpack, and some of it is still inside. So we'll go back in there again. Remember to use the toothpick the right side. Make sure the side that you sharpened is facing the pins at the bottom. You see there's more residues coming out. The bottom, the deep side of that wall we talked about, should reflect the color of the iPhone. Bring a cleaner Q-tip, more rubbing alcohol on top of it, and just wipe the whole surface area clean. Use the other side of the napkin to wipe it off. Wait maybe a minute or two until the alcohol is completely dry. If you wanted to do it faster, just blow some air on it. Bingo. And now with that being said, if this has helped you and cleaned your charging port, please go ahead and drop the like button. I have a lot of videos coming out your way. Please be subscribed and turn on the notification so you don't miss. No, I don't want to be talking like YouTube videos, man. My name is Jay, and until next time.